How many events can our team handle? Ultimately, you know, we were built for scale. So right now, the way that we're at right now, we can probably manage, I'd say 40 events a week. But within a short period of time, within, you know, a week, if we had to, we could, you know, if we get closer to that 40 event number, we'll start, you know, getting ready for more scale. And it would be very, very easy for us to be able to add, you know, another 10 to 20 events in a week very easily. We have a large pool of people ready to come work for us. Some people have actually already been trained. We just haven't had the hours to be able to need them. And we have a really cool system set up where we have our leads here in America, and then we do outsource our BDC, but we use, you know, very good English speaking people. They go through our processes. They're only using saved responses. So at the end of the day, we're built for scale, and we're built to grow. And right now we can handle about 40 events per week. We're not doing that many. We're, you know, averaging, you know, about a third of that. So we have lots of room for growth.